Hi everybody, it's Anthony again. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial for you regarding your voice response. I like what all of you have started to do, or some of you have started to do, so I thought I'd help everybody else along the way just in case, and at the same time introduce you all to a brand new tool that's free. It's great for your classroom, and I'd like you to try it. If it makes your life easier, then go for it. This tool is great for grades 2, maybe even grades 1 and up. It's called Audacity. So if you go to Google, there are a lot of products out there. What I share with you are the ones that I've tested on my own and find to be most suitable for the classroom. So the first link is usually the correct link. So here it is, Audacity free audio editor and recorder. You notice too, Google does a nice job of taking you to the direct page. And that's what we want. We want to go down to download. When you click on download, you will come to their series of downloads. Now, I just want to explain what beta means. Beta just means experimental. I think everything that's being launched out there is beta. Beta this, beta that, which means the company does not want to take responsibility for launching something too early. So what they say to the clientele of the world is, "Oh, it's just beta, so don't get upset with us if it doesn't work, but you don't have to download it either, but we want you to." Anyway, you get the idea. I'm using Windows 7. Choose your appropriate operating system. Okay, so as you can see, it's Mac friendly. This one here on the left is for Windows XP. If you're still running Windows XP, that's the one you got to download. Unfortunately for me, I've got to download the beta, and so what I'll do is click on Windows 7. Oops, sorry, wrong click. So I'll just click on the Windows link, and it'll take me to this page here, and it'll describe what it wants. This is the beta version. It's not quite finished. Blah blah blah. Down here, there's a recommended download. So this is the Audacity 1.313 installer. So click on that. And if you're using Firefox, this is the dialog. If you're using Internet Explorer, it'll say run, save, or cancel. It doesn't matter which one you do. I always prefer to run it so that I don't save too much. So I'll just click on save, and it will bring it down from the web. And here it's in my download. So I'll double click there and then instruct the machine to run it. I will abide by all the security features and just accept. Set up my language as English and then follow the wizard. So every installer comes with a wizard, so just follow the logic of the wizard. There's nothing that's malicious here. It's all been tested, and we use it quite heavily within, I use it quite heavily within what I do for the board and also for my professional development. So let's launch it. Let me show you how it's done. So this is Audacity. This looks like a nice little mixer, and for your purposes as teachers in this particular course, all you really need to do is hit the record button. Now my microphone is being occupied by a different program, so you're not going to see any action on the sound front, but it will record, I promise. So you hit the record button, and yeah, it can hear me, so it's fine. It's recording both, I guess. So it's okay. So it's picking up my voice as well as the other program. I can hit stop, and I can play it, and you won't be able to hear it because I've got my headphones on. And the beauty of this is that you can record as long as you like, and the most important part, of course, is how to get it to me. How do I get it to Anthony? Well, the first thing is, remember, try not to, I love listening to you guys. It's a great way for us to get to know each other. You hear my voice. I don't get to hear your voice. So, talk away. Anyway, so you go to File, and what I want you to do is instead of Save or Save Project, you go to Export. So you want to export, and I asked you for a specific format. I need you to find that format, and that's MP3. The MP3 file is a compressed file. It's not as big as what we usually use on CDs. That's why CDs have gone the way of the dodo. They could only hold maybe 20, 25 songs on a particular format, which is the wave. You could put 100 songs on a CD if they're MP3, and they sound beautiful. But who uses CDs? Okay, so anyway, save it as an MP3, put it in a folder, and then that you remember, and then after that, you just attach it like you would attach any file in an email, and away you go. So even if you've already tried and successfully completed this assignment, I really do encourage you to try out Audacity. It's fun, and I guarantee your kids will love it. And the last thing I want to say is the purpose of this assignment wasn't to make life miserable for you. It was maybe to give you an idea that maybe your students would like to submit their work in the same manner once in a while. So diversifying, differentiating not just your instruction but your assessment. And as a teacher, you know what? It's a lot nicer sometimes sitting back and listening to your students in the quiet of your office or in the quiet of home instead of reading all the time. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys. Thanks, take care, and I will speak to you soon.